Afternoon, guys. How's everyone doing on this glorious Thursday afternoon? I'm doing very well, thank you very much. Welcome to my channel, Boldstall. I ain't Boldstall boy. God, I'm going, must be going senile. Welcome to my channel, Joey TV, Joey Barnett TV even. Sorry about that, guys. I'm a little bit hyper, and the reason why I'm hyper is because I've just got my bike out of my lockup and I'm working on my bike today. So I'll spin the camera around and I'll show you. What do you think of my shed, guys? I've got all the bits out, look. Looking good, isn't it? That's an enduro tank I've got hanging on the wall. So, what I'm doing today, guys, is I'm removing the clutch cover to restore the clutch cover. What I'm using to restore it, what paint I'm using is this. You see it? It's for extreme heat. If I can turn the bike on its side a little bit while I hold it up, you see I've done that side black. It's got a couple of scratches on it, but it's a motocross bike, what do you expect? So yeah, I'm working on my bike today, guys. This clutch cover is going to be lovely. I was going to put a Borsche one on it, but like they're 150 quid just for a clutch cover, and I haven't got that type of money to spend on it. So basically what you need for this job is an 8mm Allen key, and what I'm using is this Allen key. Squirt it up a bit of WD-40 because that's probably not been off the bike since it's been made. It's 2005, so yeah, it's, you know, quite a few, it's been in there quite a few years. So I would advise to squirt that up a little bit first, guys. Leave it for about half hour. Give that Allen key there just a little tap of a mallet, a rubber mallet. This is what I normally use, a rubber mallet. So yeah, give that a little tap. First things first, what you must do first is bear in mind that you're going to have to give this bike or your bike an oil change if you're thinking about doing the clutch cover. And the reason why you're doing that is because you're killing two birds in one stone, basically. To take that clutch cover off, you might lose a little bit of oil, so it's no point of trying to save it. I'll just let it out at the bottom, and then by the time I take the clutch cover off, it's not as much oil coming out of it. So kill two birds in one stone, give it an oil change, and do the clutch cover. Yeah, I haven't took this cover off yet, so as I said, it's a 2005 KX250 two-stroke, and yeah, it has had a full engine rebuild, released 20 hours ago. You can still see the gaskets are green. You can see it better on the other side, actually, but you get what I mean, guys, don't you? So 8mm Allen key, take that off, pull this bolt out. This is it might be a 6 or 7mm bolt, and that's to release your brake pedal. So take that bolt out there, take your Allen key bolt out. Behind the brake there's a spring. Don't know if you can see that spring. Get the camera up. Yeah, you can see it there. Right, take that spring off, and then basically your back brake will go all floppy. And the reason why you've got to take the back brake off is a bit of a pain in the arse, is because if you haven't got enough clearance on the clutch cover to pull it out. Bit of a shame, but yeah, it's one of them things what's got to be done. So I'm going to be getting on doing that this afternoon, guys. What I'll do is, this is before I've restored it, and I'll get a video of after I've finished it, just to show you how good it looks when you restore these bits. Because to be honest with you, I want to keep everything completely standard, factory standard on this KX250. I've changed quite a few bits on it, like not even, oh yeah, it's got an original tank, the plastics, the and bits and pieces, but I like to keep it factory stock. So yeah, I'm going to keep everything original, just restore everything, because, you know, I know you can get pattern parts for these bikes, but they're nowhere near as strong as the original parts. And when it comes to, like, if you want to sell it later on down the road, it's always good to have the original parts rather than pattern parts. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing for the rest of the afternoon. Like my shed, I put a bit of a gutter on it and a downpipe. I haven't got a water butt yet, but I'll tell you what, that's enough collection water. I've been using the missus' washing up bowl, but I've been having to empty it quite a lot over the last few days because we've had quite a lot of rain, haven't we? But yeah, the shed's completely watertight, which is really, really good. I'm really pleased for, guys. Hope everyone is having a good day. Peace.